This is exercise 3D of P3, question 8b. The question is tan square theta minus 2 sec theta plus 1 is equal to 0. It is in pi, and the pi is from the value of theta is from negative pi to pi. This one is tan theta and this is sec theta. It is easy to convert tan into sec. So we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Then minus 2 sec theta plus 1 is equal to 0. This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. Both cancels. So what we are having is sec square theta minus 2 sec theta. This is sec square theta. This is 2 sec theta. So I can take sec theta common. So what we are having is sec theta minus 2 is equal to 0. The product of 2 is 0. So either sec theta is equal to 0 or we have sec theta is equal to 2 from this. This one is not possible. I hope you know it, because the graph of sec, this is a cosec graph and this is a sec graph. Sec graph is not having these middle values. From where? From minus 1 to 1. So the 0 is in between. So this is not possible. So cos theta, 1 over cos theta is 2. It means cos theta is equal to half. Theta is arc cos, or you can write cos inverse half. So theta is pi over 3. Now we have this. We know that pi over 3 is a graph of 60 degree. So let us say this is 60 and let us say this remaining is 60. So that we have this angle 60, 60, 60 and 60. Not this one, and this one is 60. This we need not to even mention here. Now this cos is positive. So the value will be, cos is positive here. That is ASTC, and cos is positive here. But if you are not going to mention this thing, the range is from negative pi to pi. So this range is from 0 to pi and 0 to pi, and this range is from 0 to negative pi. So we have these two. Means we will consider from here and then we will consider from here. So let's find out. This is correct. That is pi over 3. This one is correct. Then when we move downwards, It is crossing here, it is crossing here, it is crossing here, it is crossing here, but it is 0 to minus pi. 0 to minus pi is this area, and being positive we will consider only this one. So this is minus pi over 3. So the solution of this equation is, the values of theta are from, the theta will be not from pi over 3 and minus pi over 3. Now let's take another example. This is exercise, same exercise, this is 3D. That is a exercise 3D of P3 and question number 8, part maybe E, I think. Now this question is exactly the same, only the this values and this thing is different. So now this is tan square theta. So we know that tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. This is half theta. So tan square theta over 2 is sec square theta over 2 minus 1. So I'm going to replace it. So this is 3 sec theta over 2 is equal to 2 tan square theta over 2. I'm going to write sec square theta over 2 minus 1. So 3 sec theta over 2. I'm opening and taking this side. Okay, first let me open. It is 2 sec square theta over 2 minus 2. It is good if I take it this side. So my equation is 2, this one I have taken 2 sec square theta minus 2, and this one I am going to take this side, so sign will be minus, so that is minus 3 sec theta over 2 is equal to 0. So I can write it 2, this is theta over 2 in all cases, so 2 sec square theta over 2 minus 3 sec theta over 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This equation is in the form of 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 multiply 2 is 4, and 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So I can write this equation as 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. What I have done? Minus 3x I have written as minus 4x plus x. So this is 2x common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can see that x is equal to minus half and x is equal to 2. So by this we can say directly that sec theta over 2 is equal to minus half and sec theta over 2 is equal to 2. Now again I can say that sec theta over 2 is minus half, and we know that sec, the value of sec is not exist from negative 1 to 1. So only sec theta is equal to 2 as sec theta never exists in minus 1 to 1. So sec theta is equal to 2, cos theta is equal to half. So theta is equal to cos inverse half. So as we did in the last question, theta is equal to 60 degree. Now he's asking up to 360. So he's asking 0 to 360. If we calculate this by this way, this is 60. Cos is positive. This is A, S, T and C. So our answer is, this is 0 to 360. So answer is 60 degree and this one. So this is 300 degree. Now up to this point the procedure is same and everything is same, but there's a one thing which you have to remember is the angle is theta over 2 or the angle is 2 theta. Generally it's given that, like in this question, what they have given is, where is it? Theta is 0 to 360. Theta is 0 to 360. Now one thing is there. This is not theta. This one. This is theta over 2. So we have to make this first theta over 2. So I'm going to do, this is a very important step. Don't leave your question up to here. In fact, you need not to write this thing. For the sake of explanation, I have reached up to there. What you have to do is, if it is multiplied by 2 theta, multiplied by 2 theta, you multiply it by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. If it is divided by 2, you divide all by 2. So in this question, everything is divided by 2. So I am going to divide it by 2. I am going to divide it by 2. I am going to divide this by 2. So theta over 2 is between 0 and 180. That is the first thing you have to understand. Had there been 2 theta, it would have been 720. Now what we are going to do is, we have this graph. We can use the same graph, or I can just draw another one. Our angle is 60 and this is theta over 2. This is 60. 0 to 180. A, S, T, C. Only this angle is there. So theta over 2 is 60 degree. So theta will be 120 degree. So I hope you understand this thing. That's all from my side. Just watch it carefully and do 1 or 2 examples. Thank you very much.